Heading out to do the first cook-off in over 2 years. It's about 30 minutes away. Hoping to get there by 7. Get our spot set up. Cook's meeting at 9 o'clock. We'll pick back up when we get there, guys. Appreciate it. Alright guys, looks like we're all set up. We'll fire that up for the fajitas. Got a little bit of good fire going. Truck back there, generator back there, a lot of smoke, don't like that. Temperature's 360, so we'll let it cool down. So we're all set up here, and it's a good amount of teams. I'll make another video in a little while. Oh yeah, there we go. Or fajita turning, and a bunch of other stuff that can't see, but I'll represent him. So appreciate it, Richard. Thank you. All right, guys. I got everything prepped, trimmed, except for what we're gonna eat. I'm gonna set that here in a little while. I got the fire fixing to get lit. Cook the fajitas right here. Got little finger foods for us. And my briskets in there. So, there's quite a bit of people here. Gorgeous day, nice wind. So we are all set up. That's my helper. Get this open field. All right, guys, everybody, go cookies out. All right, guys, how's it going? Everybody, Cookies is the first cook-off since COVID. I haven't done one in 2.5 years, so I figured I'd give it a try. All glory, whipping in the wind. It's a beautiful day out here. Got the music going. Got the meats going. Fire going. Gonna get that going here. All the prep area. I prepped everything, trimmed everything. So we're good to go. There's a whole bunch of us out here, so 20-something teams. So hopefully the barbecue gods are on my side today. Good luck to all the competitors. All right, guys, we're here. Go make a little tour of everybody. There you go. Firewood there. There goes. There goes Sam. He putting on a good event. All right, good luck, everybody.
Make sure you get my sign.
Where's her?
The Godfather.
Yeah, where's it at? Oh yeah, the Godfather, Sam of the Bull Cookers. Awesome. You got a Facebook web or Facebook nothing? Good luck, guys. Backyard Cookers, Houston, Texas. All right. All right. Anahuac on the east side. La Borrega Negra, que gacho. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
All right. What's going on, guys? What's your team name?
Smoky Barbecue.
Smoke It Barbecue, Houston.
Houston, Texas.
Awesome, man. Good luck, guys. Hobby Airport, South Side. We're the north side up by Humble, guys. Check out everybody your crews. Y'all be good. Good luck. How's it going, guys? Good luck, man. Team name? What's your team name?
Lo que sea.
Lo que sea, whatever. The good drinkers. Left hand cookie. All right. Good luck, guys. All right. Good luck, guys. How's it going, guys? Good luck, man. We'll see you on a few. What's the team name? Your cooker's name?
Titan cookers. Titan cookers. Titan smokers.
Titan?
And Harris County
Precinct 2. Precinct 2. I think that's a humble. No,
You gotta see that.
good luck, guys. Nice setup right there, man. Oh, Tennessee Titans. Yeah. Good luck, guys. Saludos.
You too.
So it's all about the good fun, guys. Yeah. And that's me. Right there. We got some guys way over there under the tree, but yeah, well, all right. So, all right, guys, at Barrio Cookers, let me show you what I'm kind of relaxing right now. I got everything on there. If it needs to be rested, it'll rest. It's gorgeous day. Mario bombs in the house. Nibble food, the brisket, ribs are over there. Half chickens. And like I said, we'll do those. We're gonna do a slice of them. And we'll get them tasting good. All right, fajita time.
This guys, but that's my brisket before I do the rest.
Turn it in a couple hours.
These are the ribs.
All right, guys, these are the ribs. We can get a little wrap. Honey for the money. So we'll wrap them up and turn them in about 2 hours. That is my rib turn in. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We cleaned up. Ward's in about an hour. It's a mess. I'm tired. So there's my support group. Say hi, support group. Woo! Win or lose, we have fun. So. There you guys.
Winners.
Alrighty. All right, so long for now.
You won.
7-4?